now I am very delighted to have Mr. Om Jeevan Gupta with us, and I would like to quickly introduce Mr. Gupta. So, Mr. Om Jeevan Gupta is Director Education at Microsoft. He is spearheading all the path-breaking initiatives that Microsoft Education has taken in India. Mr. Gupta is a veteran project specialist and has deep command on education management industry. He wears many hats as a negotiator, business strategist, go-to-market expert, sales and customer relationship stalwart, and we look forward to having his guidance throughout the AI Digital Lab program. So, Mr. Gupta, welcome, and we are very excited to have you with us today. Um, Mr. Gupta, to start this discussion, I would, we know that Microsoft is doing extensive work on AI, and AI Digital Lab is, is part of Microsoft AI initiatives. But can you elaborate more on the vision of AI Digital Labs and how do you see, that Microsoft is helping students at the moment when everything else is standstill because of Corona? Then how Microsoft is actually expanding the reach of this program and even taking this program to the remote areas where students can learn something from this. So, Mr. Gupta, over to you.
No, thank you, Nista. Thank you for inviting me here, and thank you, Jayesh, so much. And it's always been a pleasure to listen to you. And you've been so inspiring to students and entrepreneurs and the industries here. So thank you for that talk here. So circling back, Nista, what you said, why AI Digital Lab as a program, what Microsoft started. So I'll tell you, this is something which was conceived by us a year back. I'll tell you the real-time experience, and many students and educators can correlate. So I happened to travel to an interior portion of Haryana and Punjab, few of the engineering colleges, where I was part of some TED talk. And there I realized when many questions were asked on AI by students, and one of the students in one of the forums said, sir, we have so much of AI programs which are available in market, what to choose? So that actually sparked saying that, yes, the student, what he asked that question was so relevant, saying that there are so much available on the cloud today, and one can pick up how do I structure it so that those engineering colleges which are in rural, semi-urban or urban areas can get benefit of it. Then we conceived this program within Microsoft. And as I touched upon, this program is primarily so that we'll support the institute with infrastructure, content, and cloud services, so that all three, one which we give it to the institution, the students enrolling within the institution can come out with flying colors. At least they can speak the cloud language, they can speak the AI language, they can speak the machine learning language. I'm sorry to point out that, but many colleges that we go, many colleges that we call as part of our internship, many colleges that we cover as part of our university recruit program, we find the basic knowledge on the theoretical is very good, but practical knowledge was somehow missing it. So what we said, as the AI become mainstream, organizations will require talent with skill sets that are very different, which are existing today. And with this AI Digital Lab program, probably we can give back to the society in terms of the students or the future employees they're looking at. Now, how do we conceive this program, which I ran a bit of it earlier in my initial talk, was Microsoft will develop or developed their curriculum and content, because AI is a language which is common. I mean, if I speak from US to Australia to anywhere, the language of AI is same, right? So Microsoft Research Labs, which has developed the curriculum and content, this would be made available to student. The curriculum of different titles would be mapped to job roles and certification paths. Will define the course curriculum. It can be a semester based or it can be a 3-year long program. And courses are primarily on open source and conceptual topics. So Microsoft will help give that to the college and all these assets which I just lined out. Then second program of this is creating a lab environment, which I just touched upon. It is just not theory. It has to be mixed with practical this thing, which is on AI, IoT, and data analytics. Once a student or a college enrolls, the Microsoft Azure Labs, they'll create a Azure login, and Microsoft Azure Lab services would be given to the students. Today, I mean, this is the program what we launched sometime back, which is pre-COVID, but during COVID, I'll touch upon when I touch upon in my talk after this, which is Microsoft in Education, what is the contribution that we are doing it. So GitHub, like we opened up complete GitHub, we opened up complete LinkedIn. So this program basically will have terminal-based labs. So bring your own software, you a pre-packaged setup, get customized labs within minutes. You are set up virtually, and unlimited number of students can go and work on the cloud. Third most important was uplifting or upskilling the teacher capability. See, ultimately it is very important saying that we need to have a mentor. That mentor needs to be upskilled. So under this program, we will provide minimum 20 to 30 days skilling to the teachers so that they can uplift their skills as such. And the fourth most important is the credit portion. Every student who enrolls will get $100 credit. With that $100 credit, what he creates his own login, and with $100 credit, he can spin a machine, he can do some kind of a program. And what we have seen is initial 6 hours of working on cloud, $100 credit is more than enough in case you run a just VM and do some kind of a practical this thing. And then the complete Azure Lab services, which are most of the Azure Lab services are free. The student gets a view to those Azure Lab services. So this is the basic intent of this program that we had conceived so that a student or a university or an educator can come up and be practical ready or be employable. Over to you, Nishtha.
Thank you, Mr. Gupta. Actually, this helps a lot, and you have elaborated in so much detail that how Microsoft is providing various facilities to students to learn these technologies. And in fact, these are ever evolving technologies. So the way Microsoft is taking it up for all the students and providing, extending all the facilities, this will actually encourage a lot of people to explore and learn about this. And as Ms. Rama Devi and Mr. Ranjan mentioned, that AI is going to be the next big thing wherein we would require a lot of good talent. So this initiative will certainly help us a lot. So thank you so much for sharing these details. And we would like to hear more on these in our next section. So